beautiful. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. So today we're going to finally be doing the FabFitFun unboxing for summer of 2022, which it is definitely summer and it's hot and it's sweaty and I'm not a fan. I'm not having fun. You know, like the summertime fun people talk about? I don't know where that is. I have mosquito bites and I'm hot. But nonetheless, we are going to be doing the summer unboxing today and it's going to be just a little bit different than it typically is. I have been doing FabFitFun unboxings for 4-ish years now, maybe like over 4 years, and every single one, I do believe, I mean I should know this since it's like me, but I don't. Every single one I do believe has been sponsored by FabFitFun. Well, to the best of my knowledge, this right here, this very video will be the first time I'm doing a FabFitFun unboxing that is not sponsored by FabFitFun. They have decided that 4 years is long enough to be doing sponsored videos with me, and that's okie dokie. That is perfectly fine. It will not change how I do these unboxings or what I think about the boxes. Like, as you guys know, like I'm gonna tell you if I like something or not, and even if I were to try to be like, oh, I do actually like this, but I don't, you could tell immediately I'm an awful liar. This one's really heavy. Ooh. So I guess I've been preparing for this moment because I have been getting my own FabFitFun box. Like, I purchased it myself for a while now, so I have been getting 2 FabFitFun boxes, one sent to me by them and then one purchased on my own. So yeah, I'm prepared. With the exception of I don't have anything to cut it open with. The first little thing we have here is the FabFitFun magazine. Like, look at those ladies on the front. They're just having the best time, just all smiles. My summer doesn't look anything like that. I don't know. I'm not sure what's happening inside of this box, you guys. This is a first for me, mini first for this video. What's going on here? Did they intend to send me like several of one thing? Because I got 2 of these, I got 3 of these. Are there any more multiple? Okay, so these are the only duplicates, but I feel like this was an oopsie. Oh, I'm an idiot. There's no oopsie except for on my end. I think I ordered these, like on the sale thing. You know how you can like buy stuff on the sale and they put it in your box for you? Yeah, I had no idea that I was buying mask chains. I thought they were necklaces, but that's okay. So the first thing I got is 3 mask chains. I thought they were cute little gold necklaces. They were like $1 a piece, I'm pretty sure. And I was like, ooh, I can have so many necklaces for $1. And then I don't know what obeys are. I've completely forgotten everything I purchased, so let's just go ahead and see. Oh, the bands. Yes, the booty bands. I have been wanting to improve areas. Yes, areas. And I think that this is what I see everybody use on like TikTok and Instagram and stuff. It's these little bands. Will that fit around my legs? I feel like that's real small. Anyway, these are resistance bands. You put them around your legs and then you do like squats and stuff. At least it's what I've seen like the fitness people do on the internet. So yeah, I'm gonna give those a try. I don't know why I needed 2 sets of them, but I have them now. Okay, now let's go ahead and get on to the actual box. If there's anything in here that seems like it shouldn't be inside this box, like it's not a part of the subscription, it's because I purchased it myself and then like totally forgot that was a thing that I did. Let's go ahead for the little first item here. We have a body scrubber. This is from KO and it is just a little body scrubber. It sounds like firm. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this as far as like a body scrubber. This looks like, you know, something that you would clean out your makeup brushes on. This doesn't really seem like something that would do much in the way of exfoliation. It's just kind of like a silicone-y little pad. Not really sure what the 3 little holes are for. Like, I don't know if these are like some type of like finger grip. That doesn't seem very comfy. Maybe it is a finger grip actually. Feels kind of like it might do some type of exfoliation. It does add, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I do like to touch it though, so that's definitely one positive. Once it's lathered up with some like soap and water though, I feel like it would be super slippy and maybe not like the greatest exfoliator ever, but like I said, it's fun to touch. Ooh, okay, the next thing we have in here is a desk pad. I thought it said it was from soap, but it's actually from Soar. That makes, well, it doesn't make more sense, but more sense than soap. This is actually pretty nice. I do need a new desk pad. The last one I got from Amazon is kind of icky now. I'm somebody who spends a lot of time at my computer, at my desk. I also spend a lot of time like eating, so those 2 things coincide quite a bit. There's a few stains and things on mine. That's a honker. That's a very big desk pad. I do like it. I like the little kind of randomized polka dots on there. They're just kind of misshapen polka dots, but I think they're cute. It's got a good wobble to it. That's good. It has a nice, very bendy feel to it. My other one is a little bit more stiff and it doesn't lay super flat, so I feel like this would lay much flatter. It smells like plastic. I really like the smell of plastic. All right, so a useful item. Again, no idea if it came inside the box or not. I guess we can check the magazine at the end and see if like some of these things were even options to receive. Ooh, guava. I've never had a guava in my life, but it looks and sounds kind of appealing. It almost looks like somebody put a watermelon inside of a lime, which I like that. This is just a little sample in here. This is from Liquid IV, but I do actually really like Liquid IV. I buy these on my own. I put them in my water. Oh, also, yeah, if you guys are wondering about the band-aid on my thumb, remember when I showed you like one of my hands like had fake nails on it? I did a TikTok hack where I used UV glue and like that wouldn't be comfortable. UV glue and put press-on nails on with it, and I wore that when I went out with my friends for my birthday, and I was dancing, which I don't do frequently, and I fell as I was dancing, and I just slammed my thumb into the floor, and then it proceeded to rip part of my nail back, and now like 3/4 of it is no longer attached. So I just slapped a little band-aid guy on there, and I'm hoping it will just by some miracle reattach itself or just grow out very gradually and I won't have to fully lose my nail. The shape of this band-aid and my thumb though remind me of the thumb people from Spy Kids. Oh, okay, so next up here, this is something I did actually choose for my box. So we have a little like cami tank top bralette kind of thing. Oh, that's much smaller than I anticipated it being. Why did I think it was like, you know, kind of like a long line bra, like where it came down? This is really small. Yeah, that's itty bitty. So this is definitely going to be like a bralette. I would have to wear this under something that fully covers it. It is really cute though. It's like a pale pink color and there's some like kind of lacing details through it and some little holes right there. Yeah, it's just a cute little cami. I can't remember the brand that it's from, but I feel like it was kind of an expensive one. Yeah, Free People. So this is a Free People little cami. I'm not sure why I keep calling it a cami. I definitely can't wear it as one, but this is a Cara seamless bralette. And I'm hoping there's just like the world's most stretch to it because my rib cage is not fitting inside of this as it currently stands. So yeah, it's really cute. I'm just hoping it fits. Alrighty, next up we have something here from Monroe. I have no idea what it is. It looks like it might be a piece of jewelry because it's in a little like velvety bag. And it's a watch. Very stiff. It's actually leather. Okay, so the next item we have here is a little watch. This is pretty cute. It has like a gray band to it and there is a rose gold face. It's genuine leather, so that is really nice. I've never heard of this brand before, not like I know much about watches. It's so stiff, like I can't even bend it around my wrist. Just gonna have to wear it, you know, like that. It can double as a weapon. It is really cute. I just happen to not really wear watches or bracelets. I don't know if this is an option that I picked, but I mean, it's a cute little watch. I don't know if anybody I know would be interested in this, but I'll ask around because I don't really think that I'll get too much use out of it. Oh, I'm actually excited about this. So the next thing we have in here is from Black, and I have received this before in a subscription box past. This is a teeth whitening stick, and I think it actually works pretty well from my memory. Oh, no, I've never had that before, no. That's something new to me. I guess I got this confused with a different teeth whitening stick, but it looks, oh, black makes sense now because the color of the product is black. Okay, yeah. It looks like they might use like activated charcoal or something inside of this to whiten your teeth. But yeah, that's definitely not what I was anticipating when I pushed that out of the little top there. Should we just try it just a little bit? Beautiful. You know, why would they make it this color? This is how long do you have to sit here like this before it works? How to? Okay. Expose your teeth. Done. Brush on a thin layer. Done. Keep your lips from touching your chompers for about a minute. Done. The silly face is totally worth it until the formula dries. 20 minutes? I feel like I'm ready to be an extra on The Walking Dead. I marinated a steak. It doesn't taste that bad. Will it just stain my teeth this kind of like dark gray color for the next 20 minutes until I like wash it out? Wash it out! Okay, well fun. I don't really know if it works yet because I couldn't stand that on my teeth for the next 20 minutes as I'm trying to make this video. But I do think my teeth are now slightly grayer. Ooh, candle! Okay, very exciting. The next thing we have in here, at least it's good. Yes, it is a candle, awesome! Okay, a Lasting Smiles Sea Salt and Citrus Aromatherapy Candle. And it says, shining a light on causes that matter. So I'm guessing this goes for a good cause. It is a soy blend candle and I'm very excited to smell this. Oh, I love that. That smells so good. It just has like a really nice kind of like calming scent to it, but it's very refreshing. You can like smell a little bit of that sea salt in there with a little bit of citrus, but there's also kind of like a cucumber melon note to it. It's definitely a nice light summer scent, and I'm very excited to set this on fire. It's a line scratcher. Listen, I never do anything with any of these little scratch off cards, but daggone, do I love scratching them. Oh, that's just so much fun. Next up here we have a little box from Rae Dunn. I've definitely heard of Rae Dunn before. Apparently this was like a huge fad like a year or two ago, or maybe it still is, I don't know. I heard that people would like stock the TJ Maxx waiting for Rae Dunn stuff to come out. I mean, I too stock the TJ Maxx, but for very different reasons. Oh, the little spoons. I love little spoons. Look how cute. Sound of styrofoam touching anything is just nails on a chalkboard. Ugh. Okay, so this is what's inside of here. We have a little salsa bowl and a guac bowl. I'm not the biggest fan of things that say things for some reason. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure why. I just never really have been. However, I think I would go ham with a label maker, so maybe that's a little contradictory of me. But you know, like it tells you that this is for salsa, and like what if I wanted to put just like ranch in here? Like what if I wanted this to be a giant bowl of ranch I could just dip things in? It would be kind of weird that it says salsa on the outside. But if it didn't say anything, I could put whatever I wanted to in here. Same thing with guac. I don't think I have guac for any reason ever. Sorry about this for everybody who like loves guacamole. I feel like there's a very strong like guacamole fan club out there somewhere. I don't really like it, and anytime it comes on anything that I get from like a Mexican restaurant, I ask for it to not do that, not come with it. So for me personally, I don't think I would get much use out of the guac one, but I will definitely put like salsa and like cheese dip out. It doesn't say cheese dip, but I feel like it's okay if I put cheese dip in a non-cheese dip dish. Okay, so the very last item in here, I do remember picking this as well. This kind of brought me back to like a time and a place that I didn't really participate in, which was like the Lily Pulitzer era. I can't even exactly remember like what time of my life I was in, like what part of my journey I was in when Lily Pulitzer was like super popular, but all I know is that I didn't participate in this. I don't think I was either cool enough or had enough money enough to do this. But I saw this towel and I was like, you know what? It's kind of cute. It is summertime. I might try to like lay outside once and get a tan and then instantly give up because I'm just gonna burn and it's gonna be hot. I feel like you can always get use out of like a giant towel. So this is just a giant towel. It feels kind of almost microfibery. It's not very terry clothy. It has a very bright kind of just like abstracty florally pattern, which I think is like what everything of Lily Pulitzer has on it, but it's really big. So this would be nice for taking to the beach, which I am actually going to the beach this year. The first time, and I think 13 years that I've been to the beach. I'm going with my fiance and his family, and I'm really excited. So I can take this with me to the beach, which probably now, like in retrospect, is why I got it in the first place. And yeah, it's just a nice big towel. I don't think it says like Lily Pulitzer or anything on it, but like, does it have to? I think the print speaks for itself. But I do think it is cute. It is very cute, and it's bright, and it's fun and summery. Alrighty guys, that was everything inside of the summer 2022 FabFitFun box. Let's go ahead and look through the magazine here and see what was actually supposed to come inside this box and what I just paid for separately and forgot about. Are they going to tell me the stuff or not? Well, dabganit. Typically in these little magazines, they say like, here are the things inside of the bag and here's how much they cost. But not this time. They do give you coconut shrimp recipes though, which look pretty yummy. So yeah, we're just gonna speculate like 80% of these items were supposed to come in this box and the other 20% I bought at some point. Overall, you know, I thought this was a pretty decent box. It was pretty fun. I like getting candles. I like the towel. I like the computer mat, that kind of thing. But overall, I think this was a pretty decent summer box. Let me know what you guys thought about your boxes and mine. Let me know what you thought down below. I'd love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions about things. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!